Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. As you can see, on the very first position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can set the date and time manually, because right now we are using network provided time. So in order to do that, just tap on this switcher to turn off this option, and the date and time options are active. The same situation will be with the time zone, so just tap on it in order to turn it off. So let me pick the date, for example, and as you can see, just by swiping you can pick the day and the month and the year. So it's really up to you. Just confirm it with OK, and it immediately appears right here. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, pick the one you would like to set. And we can do it also with the time zone. Just tap on the region, and right now you can pick the one you would like to set, and just tap on it. So let me pick the Norway, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So let's scroll down, and here we can choose also the time format. After tapping on it, you can choose either automatic one, so it is based on the system language, but also you can pick 24-hour format or 12-hour format manually. So let me pick, for example, 24-hour format, sorry, because right now we had the 12-hour format, and under it we've got also some dual clock options. You can turn on or off the dual clock just by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, we've got also the information after turning it on, that it will be displayed on the lock screen and home screen, so we got it. And here, after tapping on the second clock, we can choose the region from which we would like to check the hour. So let me get back, and actually this is the whole customization of the date and time. Obviously you can go back to all previous settings and the automatic ones. Let me pick the auto. Here let's use network provided time zone and network provided time, and as you can see, it immediately changes on the status bar. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.